Hello, this is Gregory Joseph. Hey, it's Maine's Food Reviews coming once again from the Pie YouTube. So, guys, I'm trying a new cereal. It's gluten free and it's called Sunrise Crunchy Maple. It has a delicious melody of corn, rice, kuna, flax, buckwheat, and aroma. So, and this is crunchy maple, and it's put out by Nature's Path Organic. I can open the box. What they look like, guys. What they look like. Looks good. I'll turn it around. Here you go. Let me put a little lactate-free milk in there. I am a lactose intolerant, but I already took my meds this morning, so won't really matter. And spoon. Let's give this guy a scale, 1 being the worst and 10 being the best. It's definitely crunchy. Tastes a little like Kix with these little things right here. But do taste a little maple taste to it, not overpowering. Definitely am surprised with the gluten-free option. You really can't tell whether it's gluten-free or not. But I bet it's high in fiber. Fiber is 4 grams, so not too high. Anyway, guys, it's a really healthy cereal, and definitely recommend it. I'll give this guys an 8. Anyway, guys, subscribe to my channel, Maine's Food Reviews, for more digital content. Remember to subscribe, like, hit the notification button, and you can get more from me if you subscribe on Clapper or YouTube. Have a good day, guys. And remember, always, peace out. Have a good day, guys. God bless.